Hello friends, this is Coldra and welcome back to Subnautica. Now we're back at our main base, the base on the surface, and as soon as I logged off the last session I realized my mistake, that I actually don't have kyanite here. Wait, do I have it in my... No, I don't think I have kyanite here. I think I just have ion cubes in my prawn suit. Anyway, before we get into that, on the suggestion of my friends, I am going to... Oh, I thought it was freaking out. It's just spinning around. On the suggestion of my friends, I'm going to take this cuttlefish and put it into the open water, because apparently something happens there. We're dropping the cuttlefish. Play with fish! Trophy and man's best friend. I'm trying to... Oh my god, you can scratch its belly! You can give it a cookie. This is the greatest fish in the game. I'm sorry I ever thought that you were the creature that might have destroyed the Degassi base. Oh, you could pretend you could do magic with it! This is amazing. Okay. Wait, what did it say? Commanded to stop follow? Is it following me? Command to stop follow.
Emergency. Starvation imminent.
Yeah, but I have a...
Calorie intake immediately.
Screw that, I have a fish to play with. Oh my god, it's so cute! So I just commanded it to stop following. So what does it do now? Did I just release it back into the wild? Is it just going to do its own thing? Is it going to eat a bladderfish? I don't know. No, I didn't mean to... I meant to... Alright, now I commanded it to follow. So does that mean it's just going to stay in my general vicinity? Doesn't look like it. No, I guess it is. So what happens if I go inside?
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Oh no, it's like a cat trying to get into the door. How do I pick it up again? I don't know. Maybe I have to stop following and then interact with it, but I'm okay leaving it just kind of to do its own thing. It's going to be... We're warping back through. I've saved right before this, so hopefully it'll work. It worked. Okay. Alright. That behind us. So we're going to... I don't want to... You gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. Okay. Okay. Now, I was going to go through the other portals, but I really think that's just going to lead to frustration, because I assume it's just going to bug out along the way. So let's just see if what's inside this area here. And you know, while I'm here, I might as well grab some of these. Okay, here we go. Pop.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Let's see what awaits us inside here. I know the Sea Emperor seems friendly. I'm really hesitant to just dive in there. Let me see if there's other stuff I can do beyond entering the water. Can I get up there? No, so it doesn't lift me up. Okay, so I think we have to go down, but let me repair first. Okay. Nope, that's the wrong... I always mix those up. In we go. I guess we're not going in. We're stuck in the floor again. Oh, this is not how you want your game to end. I don't know what this game wants me... Did this game not want me to use the prawn suit? In that case, just tell me not to use the prawn suit. Just make it so you can't use the prawn suit. Don't do this. Okay. Oh, fucking...
Are you here to play? Others came here once. They built these walls. They played alone. They bored me. Now they're gone. And instead, we have you. We are curious whether you swim with the current or fight against it as they did.
I don't know. I want to stop the Kara bacteria from killing everyone? I guess that's... What is that, swimming with the current or against the current? So you clearly know I'm... So we got a red bone shark.
Detecting unusually passive behavioral patterns in nearby predators. Reason unknown.
Yeah, we got a stalker. We got stalkers and bone sharks. I am not going to disrupt the harmony. I'm not going to drill anything or hurt anything because I feel like that could get me squidded. Which I don't want. What are these? Are these your eggs? Okay. I thought their eggs were destroyed or something. Sea Emperor eggs.
Environment scans indicate the water here is rich with a rare plankton-like life form, which depends on the organic detritus produced by the ecosystem around it.
I'm gonna... God, I'm gonna risk it. I'm not... It's not really... It doesn't even feel like a risk, actually. Because you clearly know I'm here and you're okay with it. Let me... Before we do that, let me, Wait. What else could I scan? Oh, incubator. Hatching enzymes. Hello? So I'll try to scan you on the next pass. So let's see what we found so far, since these things are apparently passive now. Hatching enzymes. The Emperor specimen's eggs are attached to some form of incubator. In a normal life cycle, it seems likely that sea emperors would have buried their eggs in shallower waters, where different organic materials in the soil would have triggered a hatching response. The incubator suggests the aliens had resorted to developing artificial hatching enzymes, which would simulate the egg's natural hatching environment, but were unable to discover the formula. So they tried hatching them, and it didn't work. Can we just pop them into the... Can they tell us... I mean, if they are buried normally in shallower waters, can we just... I don't know. Put them there? Because if this thing is making everything peaceful, and its belly has enzymes to cure Kara, let's just let it do its thing, right? With extensive information on the sea emperors themselves, it may still be possible to fabricate an artificial hatching enzyme using indigenous ingredients. However, the only surviving source of that information may be the sea emperor itself. Okay, so we're going to have a little conversation. Sea Emperor's eggs. Shell, uncommon. Wasn't there one of these things in the... There was one of these I saw that was in the... I thought it might be a Reaper or a Leviathan egg, and I was apparently right. I thought it might be a Reaper egg, actually, but I was wrong about that. There was one of these things in the egg room back before. Just one, though. Uncommonly strong shell lining. Organic growth on the exterior suggests these eggs may be hundreds or thousands of years old. Okay. Alien devices penetrate the outer shell layer, likely designed to supply them with nutrients and to isolate them from the surrounding environment. Okay. Amniotic sac. No nutrient supply, which is slowly exhausted by the embryo. Instead, they exist in a natural stasis awaiting appropriate hatching conditions. That's why in the lore we're able to eat original. That's why in the lore we're able to just find eggs sitting on the ground and then bring them, no matter how long they've been there, to a containment facility to hatch them. Okay. Fetal organism. This is a high genetic there's a high genetic match between these two organisms and the Leviathan in the vicinity. Stable and healthy. Good. Ideal hatching conditions for the eggs vary considerably from ideal survival conditions for the parent. Okay, how are we going to talk to you? Alright, let's see if we can get this. Yeah, so there's no... It can't scan this creature. How do we talk to you?
Unlike other alien facilities, scans indicate this location supports a diverse and healthy ecosystem. Explanation unclear at this time.
I was going to say, like, what are those things on the walls? No, those are... That's where the peepers are going in and out. This is where the peepers all lead. Okay.
The plant life in this area is growing outside its normal conditions.
Yeah.
Other life forms fertilizing and pruning the vegetation may be offsetting this environmental deficit.
There's another of those rare sea crowns over there. Yeah, it seems like... my guess is probably every form of vegetation is here. I was going to say, my next thing I want to do would be to... Please tell me you don't need some new type of tablet I have to create. Oh, thank goodness. My next step would be to try to pick up the eggs. I didn't see an option there, but I also wouldn't necessarily take it if I could, because I don't want the Sea Emperor mad at me. She seems peaceful and enough. Where are you taking me? I'll save again because I don't want to get tossed into the terrain again, but we're out somewhere. But where? Somewhere... No, I was going to say somewhere... Oh! Wait. Wait, what? That just puts us back out here. Okay. That was not what I expect. Oh, lava lizard! The lava lizard's just hatched. So that's what that was. So... Let me check what's out here again. No... I guess we're diving back in, because that doesn't feel like the best use of my... I don't think I'm done here yet. Oh wait, there's an alien... Is this a buried archway? Interesting. Yeah, it's a buried archway. Okay. Yeah, don't blame me for wanting to play. This must have been boring as hell for you. Alright, let's see what we can do with the eggs anyway. Eggs again. Oh, iron cube. Okay. Well, that's the answer. I don't know what it does, but clearly that's the next thing we're supposed to do. We're charging up the hatchery, maybe?
My young need to hatch.
I am happy to help.
Outside this place. We have been here so long. The others built a passage to reach the world outside. I asked them for this freedom, but they could not hear me.
So they didn't deny you, they just...
If you help us, I will give you freely what the others tried in vain to take.
That is a deal I can get behind. Insert hatching enzymes. Okay. Oh, God. So you're clearing out this way. Okay. You are so friggin' cool. So I'm going to get another ion cube here. Get some oxygen. The last thing I want to do here is drown. Okay. So you're communicating again.
The passage you have opened, my young can leave this place. But first they must feel the time is right and break free of their shells. This is what the others could not force from me. To you, I give the secret willingly.
You gave me hatching enzymes. Or the blueprints to hatching enzymes, at least. Advanced materials, maybe? Yeah. Okay. An organic substance derived from plants found in the Emperor's natural breeding grounds, designed to trigger a hatching response. Okay. Okay. I missed this one. The Sea Emperor's life cycle. Available biological data has been used to synthesize the effects of the alien bacterium on the Sea Emperor's natural life cycle. The creature likely lived and moved in smaller herds around the planet's ocean trenches, coming to the surface to feed off the huge volumes of microorganisms in the shallower waters. Family size would be strictly limited by available food supply. Offspring would likely split off at a young age to form their own herds elsewhere. Given their sparse population, mating and egg-laying was likely infrequent, but perhaps a once-in-a-lifetime event. The species likely had a preferred environment for egg-laying. In fact, successful hatching may depend on such conditions. Given the rarity of this event, it's impossible to calculate those conditions precisely. There is no evidence to support the assumption that all members of the species were immune from the alien bacterium. So this could be just an anomalous emperor. Even if this is so, there's evidence that introduction of the bacterium decimated life on the planet, and this would have had catastrophic effects on the Emperor's food supply and survival rate. The symbiotic relationship between this specimen and other life forms likely developed as a direct result of the bacterial infection. So it's amazing just how much this shaped the ecosystem here. The Kara, I mean. Those life forms which learned to keep the Emperor alive survived with its help. This may explain the vast tracts of lifeless ocean in a rough perimeter around the Emperor's location. It also probably explains why the Emperor is willing to help us now. I mean, that's like it's super ingrained in its nature, that sense of helping and being helped in turn. All right, so what are we actually looking for? I had forgotten. We're looking for... All right, eye stalk, sea crown, fungal sample, ghostweed, bulb bush. So here's the sea crown. This is thing 1. Okay, good. We got sea crown. Is it just the seeds we need? Sea crown seed, yes. Okay. Ooh, this is a new one. Gabe's feather. Looks like crab claws. Gabe's feather. This plant almost exclusively grows in deeper waters where its hand-like leaves have evolved to filter sediment. Yeah, sediment from the environment. It's likely dependent on the excretions of fauna populating the waters above and around it. Neat. I don't think it gives me anything I want, but just checking it doesn't give me fungal enzymes or anything. No, it doesn't. Okay. You know what? So this is probably... I've just been looking on the surface for most of this here. The fact that there's lower areas of this containment center makes me think that that's probably where I'm supposed to find some of these things. Like maybe there's a blue bulb bush area that's where I find the bulb bushes, that sort of thing. Yeah, this place might be deeper than I thought. I'm a bit concerned that I've done a loop of this place and I've only found one thing. I've only found the sea crown. Should I be... Let me just make sure. Am I supposed to be... Anytime you want to move, game. The game froze on me. Okay, that's back. Oh, thank goodness. Bulbush fungal ghostweed eye stalk. Derived from plants found in the Emperor's natural breeding grounds. That doesn't... The Emperor's natural breeding grounds doesn't mean here necessarily. Maybe I am supposed to go on a scavenger hunt, like, outside here? Like, into the world itself? Let me just take one last check here, just to make sure that that's what I'm supposed to do. Because the game might be telling me that I don't... It's not here I'm supposed to be. Maybe it's telling me to go back into the world using the... Yeah, that might make sense. That might make sense. I was misreading that. This is not the Emperor's natural breeding grounds. This is the Emperor's containment. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the case. So we will take a little journey. So where is this going to pop us? Let me... Oh my god, let me save again, just because I don't want to get thrown into the terrain. What's happening? I'm still being warped, but what's happening? Oh. So apparently I got bitten by a ghost leviathan, or by a reaper leviathan before I... Okay. Before it loaded me in. That's quite a greeting. So I know where we are at least. So this is the quarantine enforcement platform. And... Yeah, presumably it popped me out. Yeah, presumably it popped me out somewhere I just got bitten. Let's see. Yeah, so now this is active. Okay, super cool. Super, super cool. I like this. So this is... Now the whole world gets a lot smaller in a way I appreciate. So let me see if there's anything, any flora I can find in this area that will help me. Probably after I... You know, are you gonna... I don't know if it's... No, I think it's safe to repair now. Yeah, so I'm not seeing much in the way of the flora I might need in this particular biome. So I think I'm gonna start doing the exploration of the other gateways, because I think those other gateways are meant to help me out in that particular context. So we've seen one of those portals that goes to... So we've seen two portals now for the containment facility. One of them goes to... one of them goes to the enforcement platform. One of them goes to... As you enter the one on the front, the one on the near left, goes to... Where did that go to? It went to a cave area. It went to the... It went to that... Oh, actually, that went somewhere useful. That went somewhere really... No, let's just check this first. That went to the bulb zone, I believe. So that's where I'll get the bulb. What does the second one go to? I think I know where this is. Okay, it goes to this cave, which is... I don't know exactly where it is, but I definitely remember being here, at least. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely remember this place. Jelly rays, all good stuff here. Question is, what flora do I need here that I can get here? I know at some point I saw fungal enzymes, and the fact that this is the mushroom forest tells me this is probably the place for fungal enzymes. Did I get it from a tree mushroom? Yeah. Okay. Good. That makes sense. So my next thing I want to look at here, because I already know where I can get the bulb zone one. Let me see what the third portal here is. I think that should be this one, right? Let's see where this goes. Oh! Oh, I'll bet I know where this is. Is this by the Ghost Leviathan? This may be by the Ghost Leviathan, which would make this the perfect spot for one of those ghost... Yeah, is that even... Can I pluck, like, that thing? Let's see. Are these ghost stalks? Because they look like ghost stalks. They look like something at least that would be called ghost stalks. Whether they are ghost stalks, I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to get out. No, I can't really... Maybe they're out, because they seem hard to reach from here. But these look like... No, not ghost stalks. Ghost weed. Ghost weed actually looks different. Never mind. So, but still, ghost weed should be somewhere near here. I was mixing up eye stalk and ghost weed. I don't remember what ghost weed looks like. I mean, is this ghost weed? Are you ghost weed? Did I just get ghost weed? No. So ghost weed is something else. But it's got to be here, right? I mean, everything here is ghosty. There's a ghost leviathan. If I were ghost weed, where would I be? Is that it? Maybe that's it. Like the green stuff over there. This may well be ghost weed. Yep. Gotcha. I think we found it. Yeah, ghost weed. While I'm here, let me pick up some crystalline sulfur. Excellent. Because I think I needed crystalline sulfur for the next Neptune thing, if I remember. Let me see. Neptune fuel reserve needs 4 crystalline sulfur. So let me get some more crystalline sulfur while I'm here. Of course. Of course this would happen. and I'm stuck in the terrain again, but oh god damn it. Can I, because I can't, now it's not treating, because it ported me into the Sea Emperor's room, but it ported me below the terrain. Yep, I'm going to have to redo a whole bunch of stuff, of course. Again, I'm going to have to redo a whole bunch of stuff because this... Alright. Alright. Okay, I have redone... It wasn't much. I ended up having to just redo the ghost area collecting. But I redid that, I got the crystalline sulfur, and I got the ghost vine, or whatever it was called, the ghost weed. And so this is the final of those portals. Let's see what's in here. Jump. This is a cave. Is this the Southwest Island? Am I going to see, or the South, yeah, is this the Southwest Island, or the South Island, or Southwest Island? Am I going to see my base to the north, or to the northeast? Yeah, I think that's what this is. I think this is on the island where the Degassi base that, like, they relaxed on was. Okay. Yeah, I think that's where... Is it? Yeah. I guess we'll see shortly. And so what are we looking for again? We're looking for things that are in caves. So maybe it's somewhere in here? No, it wouldn't be here, because this is... It says that these are in sea, not on land. I have a feeling I'm going to have better luck in the bulb bush area for that too. Wait. Oh, right. Never mind. That cave in particular was... Have I found this yet? Had I found this? I didn't know that I found this. Anyway, I thought that cave in particular was... That's right, that cave in particular just connected up with the enforcement platform. It didn't actually connect up with this. Okay, good to know. Arch 4. Alright, so we're looking for eye stalks. Oh, I know where those are. I know exactly where those are. I 100% know where those are. Those are by the... I don't know how close I am to them, but they're definitely south. They were by that base where I first found rubies. Let me see if I can find that, because I think they're actually not that far from here. I'm worried that that's falling off the edge. I don't want to invite the bigger ghosts, so let me not go that way. I feel like I might be too far, like... What the fuck are those? Hello? How did I miss this? Look at these. These are like big old crab giraffes. Yeah, guarded by friendly warpers. What are you? They seem ground-bound, which is good for me. Sea treader. You are cool as heck. Sea treader leviathans. There's a whole other group of leviathans I didn't see until now. They seem more like the reefbacks. Are you friendly? Oh my god, you're so cute. You, like, walk on your nose. You have a little smile. Okay. I have found a new friend.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Let's read about the reef, not the reefbacks, the sea treaders. I found a new thing. Look at that. Sea treader leviathan, a vast bipedal leviathan which roams the reefs in herds, grazing the sea floor. Antenna on the creature's head can detect a range of scents, helping the sea treaders to find fresh grazing pastures, avoid the path of large predators, and sense chemical signals different from others of their kind. Thick armor protects the creature from attack by all but the largest of carnivores. 2 legs extend from the rear. Something trying to bite me? Probably. Elongated snout, used to siphon up plant material from the seafloor and maintain balance. It's a walking nose. Behavior. Large herds would decimate the flora of a single area, thus encouraging the sea treader's migratory behavior. Families keep their young towards the center of the herds, and parents will lash out at over-curious interlopers in search of an easy meal. Okay, so don't mess with their babies. Gotcha. Sea treader herds may unearth mineral deposits as they churn up the sand. Can I help you, sir? So let me check those again. So I don't think it's going to uncover any minerals we haven't seen before, but let me just... I did see like clouds of dust getting kicked up from them. Yeah. So are they unearthing... Are there like new minerals that are... Yeah, see that mineral floating through the air? What is that? Alien feces. Lovely. We got some alien feces. That's large. Suitable for bioenergy production. Okay, so like if I made a... I don't need it right now. I'm gonna dump it, so to speak. If I were to make a place in this area, it looks like this could be used for... A base in this area, this could be used for... Yeah, that could be used for a bioreactor. Good to know. Were they kicking up other minerals and stuff? Yeah, they're kicking up a crapload of shale. And they're pooping all over the place. Okay, I am glad that I found the sea treaders. That is awesome. That is super cool. Oh! I saw you from a distance, but I never saw you up close. Are you an adult or are you a juvenile? I'm not sure. I don't want to get out. I mean, I'm at 70%, and I don't know if I have my... I don't remember where my stasis rifle is, but I feel... I guess let me know in the comments. Is that an adult or is that a juvenile? Because it's possible the adults are only out in the what's it called? Not the Twilight Zone. That the adults are only out in the dead zone. Here we are. Found you. These are the eye stalks, right by the tiger plants. Yeah, I'm going to take some hits getting this, but that's okay. Yeah, got it. Okay. Oh my god. If I had looked just a little bit more, I would have found the eye stalks like right next to this place. Oh well. You know what? I don't regret it because now I got to see the arches. Not the arches, I got to see the sea treaders. That was worth it. 100% worth it for having to just, you know, not being as observant as usual. Not being observant got me to observe more things. That's my lesson. Is that it? Did I not get an eye stalk seed? Oh no. Oh, well, I really thought I got an eye stalk seed. Oh, no, I did. I just put it in the... I put it in the storage. Okay. Yeah, so now I should be good. We are good. So I think I'm going to call it for here, just because that's all the time I have, and this feels like a good wrapping up point. Next time I'm going to go back to my base, probably through Arch 4. I think that seems like the closest access to my base. I'm going to go back to my base, and... or no, it's the Mushroom Arch. Probably Mushroom Arch 2, then. I'm going to go back to my main base, synthesize these, get some more food and water, and... once I create the hatching enzymes, I will return to the Sea Emperor and see what we see from the Sea Emperor. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.